guys. Probably need to do a review on that bag if you guys are looking for a good sissy bar bag, because I know sometimes when I take this bike out I don't want to take the bags. I just want to, you know, go cruise, but in case you need something to hold a few things, that William Max Blackjack bag is phenomenal. I'll have to do a review on it soon. Show you what it's all about. Oh, what a beautiful morning. So they started putting in new pipelines in town here for the water system. And they're just digging into everybody's boulevards and yards and stuff. It's going to be ugly around here for a while. See what I'm talking about? So good morning everybody, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to go over a couple of things today on this commuter vlog. And I just want to talk about a little Midwest Moto meetup, a little MMM action. So plans for this thing are going amazingly well. This thing is going to be an awesome time. There's lots of new people that have RSVP'd and camp spots are filling up quick, so I want to stress, if you're going to be traveling from a good distance and you want to stay at the campsite, you need to get RSVP'd, because I think we have about, I don't know, maybe less than 15 camp spots left at the campsite. Now, there's lodging nearby, but you're going to be probably riding a considerable distance to come to the campsite from any hotel. So make sure you go to Great Egret's website. I'll put it down here and in the description below. Get RSVP'd, get your spot, and rest easy. And join us for some good times. Alright, so some more meetup news. We do have event t-shirts available for purchase. You can go to Elite Print Company and order your shirt. If you're coming to the event, you can have the option of choosing no shipping, and they will be available at the event. If you aren't coming to the event, you can order yours, and you can also have it shipped to you for, I don't know, $5 or something like that. All proceeds benefit the Autism Support Connection out of Hillsboro, Illinois. And here's what the shirts look like. But I want to remind you that sales are only happening until the end of August, so make sure you get your order now, between now and August 30th, to make sure that you have yours available at the event, or if you just want to order one out of the goodness of your heart. So we got, what, another week until Harley has their 2020 dealer show to announce the new models for 2020. I'm pretty excited to see what's going to come out. This needs to be a real head-turning year for the motor company. I mean, not only is it kind of a monumental number, 2020, but you know, Harley needs to start making a turn for the better. They need to get their sales up. They need to do everything to improve their numbers. So hopefully what comes out, yep, thanks for stopping, guy. Thought you were going to pop right out there. But anyway, yeah, they need to start pivoting themselves into an upward trend with their numbers and sales. Hopefully they come out with some new lower cost models that are going to appeal to the younger demographic. And I know that's going to be one of the first discussions of the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast coming at you this August.
And now, a preview clip of what to expect from the upcoming 5 Dirty Bikers podcast.
It could be 80-something degrees.
I was gonna, man, here in Kentucky in September, it's like Satan's asshole, man. It's hot.
Yeah, it can be. I'm hoping for that beautiful fall weather.
What are you talking about, Tony? Down south, it never gets below 50, dude.
Dude, I know. I grew up down in South Florida, man. Just pasty balls.
Ooh.
You had to powder up on it.
You need a spatula just to get them off your leg.
You did, and if you used too much powder, you just started making biscuits.
This should be fun. There's going to be a little comedy. We're going to have a lot of motorcycle discussion. It's just going to be a good time. So make sure to look out on Instagram. Follow me here for updates on when the 5 Dirty Bikers podcast will go live. So I'm currently in the middle of doing some route planning for the rides for the Midwest Moto meetup. The ride I got for Saturday, you all want to be here for, because it is a beautiful ride. There's going to be bluffs, river road, Route 66, more bluffs. We're going to be crossing 2 ferries across the Mississippi and the Illinois River. So this is going to be awesome. I went out last weekend, did the route, got it all timed out, and got all the stops planned. So this is going to be awesome, guys. I can't wait to ride with everybody that's coming to this event, and I can't wait for you to see what Illinois has got in store for you. I just want to show everybody that we're more than this. We're more than cornfields. We're more than bean fields. We got it going on in spots. You just got to dig a little deeper to find those road treasures. Oh, there was another cool thing that happened that I mentioned on Instagram, but I'm going to go ahead and talk about it here. I was actually on my way to grab groceries here in Litchfield, and about a block from my house, I saw two guys on two Harley baggers pulled over in an old hardware store parking lot right by my house. So I was like, you know what? I'll go say hi. I'll give them a Moto meetup flyer. Maybe they'll want to come to the event. But anyway, I pull up to them in my car and I introduced myself. I said, hey guys, my name's Dustin. I got this event going on in September. If you guys aren't busy, come out. We'd love to have you. And then they started talking to me, and I just noticed right away these guys are from out of the country because they've got a thick accent. And I found out these guys are from Sweden.
Well, nice to meet you, Björgen Kajargen from Kynjörgen near the Björgen Fjords.
And they're in the country because they're doing the Route 66 trip. They started up in Chicago. They did the Eagle Rider program, so they got set up with a couple bikes, and they were going to take 2 weeks to go from Chicago all the way to LA. They were kind of telling me, like, it's kind of boring around here. I said, yeah, but considering where you're at, you need to take an alternative route to see a little more, to see some more roadside attractions. So what I had him do is I had him follow me over here to Litchfield, and we parked right over here at the Ariston Cafe, which in itself is a landmark, but I mean it's nothing to wow about. But there are lots of things here in Litchfield, a lot of history and landmarks that you need to check out that'll be a part of the Midwest Middlevina Pride on that Saturday. But I kind of point him in the direction of going on old historic Route 66 and taking, this route this way. There's a lot more to see before they hit Route 4. And I talked to them for a little while. Really nice guys, and they were really thankful for having me point them in the right direction to see some more stuff, because, like I said, they were getting bored with looking at corn from Chicago to Springfield area. But no, that was cool to meet some guys from another country and see them doing Route 66. It was pretty neat to chat with them. Anyway, guys, that's all I got in today's video. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, hit that bell icon, that way you know I got videos out just like this one. Until next time, this is D-Cycle signing out. Gonna go do some jobs, saying take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next video.
Are you a pedophile?